How to change your face cover on Oculus. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can change the face cover, which means this strap which you see right over here on your Oculus headset. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So as you can see, I have got one protection shield and I have one extra face cover as well. And then if I basically want to change it, instead of putting this one, I can put this one right over here. So to do that, it's actually very simple, because to remove this, you can see it's nothing as difficult. You just go ahead and just press it in between. So just do it like this, and then once you've done that, the back side as well as the front side, both of them is actually going to be removed. As you can see, it's as simple as that. There's really nothing difficult about it. If you want, you can adjust the lenses and so forth accordingly if you'd like, because you can adjust it to 3 different spaces. Now to put the other one in its place, you can see the nose part over here. This is basically the nose part. All you have to do is just make sure to place it like this, and once you place it, just make sure to lock it actually. So I'm just going to come back here, then I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So once you remove that one, you can simply put back the other one. Now if you want, you can just go ahead and put this on as well. And that's it on how you can go ahead and just simply change the face cover on your Oculus. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you though, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.